Hello, welcome to Vibetrading. So Robinhood just unveiled a very cool feature today, and I want to dive into it so we can actually look what this cool feature is for some of our newbies or some of the new people who are just kind of new into investing in the stock market or trading the stock market. And Robinhood, it's a very good platform to kind of start and kind of test your feet in the water and kind of see how it is. So let's quickly dive in, just look at this very cool feature. And the title of this cool feature is Discover the Financial You. What does it mean? It means that with this very cool feature, you can begin to learn yourself as an investor, and you can track the investment you care about. Not only that, it's also going to give you the opportunity to explore what's available on Robinhood. Isn't that cool? So let's dive in and kind of quickly look how it works right here. If we just look right here, so when you're logging into your Robinhood, you can just click on it and it's going to tell you based on your personality. It's going to tell you, how much you have in the stock, how much you have in crypto, how much you have in ETF, all of those cool sector, or all of those cool different way you can diversify your portfolio, which not a lot of people understand some of this sector, or some of this places they can put their money, or how they can diversify their portfolio. What it's going to do is, based on what it's saying on the website, it's going to provide you with those section where you can be able to see different area, and you can be able to make those investment decision easily. So let's scroll down to the page and kind of learn more about it. So like it's saying right here, if we screw, like what I was talking about, so I can be able to track your portfolio. You can be able to track it very easily without having to go through the headache trying to find out, how much you've made, or how much you've lost, or how much, each stock in your portfolio is doing based on what they have on this side. I think it's a very cool feature that everyone should go ahead and kind of exploit and kind of see how it works and put it into action. When we just scroll down, another very cool thing is it's gonna track, organize, and exploit investments you care about. Isn't that really cool? I thought it's just really cool, and it's just a very cool feature Robinhood just unveiled, which being today, February the 20th 2020, they just unveiled this very feature. So it's a very brand new feature they unveiled. So I will urge you to go give it a shot, give it a try, and see how it works. I thought it's a very cool feature. Hey, if you're new to trading, go ahead and follow the link in my YouTube channel. I have a Robinhood link. If you kind of new to invest in, never tried it, it's a link you can follow to kind of like get you a free stock and kind of start investing. And also on the link, I have a link that kind of shows you each of the stocks trading on Robinhood, where you can be able to track what a lot of people are trading. And for the newcomers, that can really help you so you can see what people are trading. I hope with this video, I hope you find it very informative. If you do, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so we can continue putting a lot of content in. Well, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.